My mother has this habit of cursing me whenever I make her upset. For example, if I'm having exams, she'll say, "You will fail your exam," or "You will never get what you ask for." I'm not sure if this is considered as cursing. I've already told my mom to stop saying that, as I feel that it might come true sometimes if she keeps on repeating it. Should I be worried about this? First of all, for you, my friend, as long as you did not do anything wrong and you are with Allah Azza wa Jal, your mother dua, it's not cursing, it's dua against you, inshallah, would not be heard. So maintain your adhkar in the morning and the evening, and try your level best to be dutiful and obedient to your mother as much as possible, without crossing the boundaries, without crossing any red lines or doing something haram. As for your mother, unfortunately, there are people, there are parents who are toxic. And I get many of such cases, and I've seen personally and encountered many parents who are toxic to their children. They don't fear Allah Azza wa Jal. Such parents think that just because they're parents, they can do whatever they want. They can abuse, torture, physically and mentally their children. They think that they can ruin their lives. They think that they own the right to give them a life or to take it away from them. And all of this is totally haram. What they're doing is a major sin. And they are forcing their children to be not dutiful to them, or to say bad things to them. And this is not what Allah wants. Allah Azza wa Jal put in the parents' hearts the love and compassion to their children, the tolerance and patience towards their children, not the opposite. Unfortunately, we get mothers who abuse their daughters-in-law just because they were abused when they got married 40 years ago by their in-laws. They want to cascade this awful tradition to her daughter-in-law, and this is haram. She doesn't care whether her son is happy or not. Even if this causes his marriage to break, she could care less. This is not a mother, this is a monster. Such a woman will definitely face Allah Azza wa Jalla on the Day of Judgment and will pay for her behavior. And there's no justification for that. So, Akhi, bear with your mom and tolerate her and be kind to her, but she will face her actions on the Day of Judgment, and you will face your actions on the Day of Judgment. As long as you're not doing anything haram, then you have nothing to worry about, insha'Allah Azza wa Jal.